Welcome back everyone to my channel. My job today is to get this rooster that I have in here and put him in with my older flock. I have 3 hens left from my original flock. They're about 6 years old now. And the rooster that they had died about a month and a half ago. So they are without a rooster. They're doing fine. This guy here was fighting with my other flock, the other roosters in there. Well, one of the other roosters. I have 3 total. They were fighting. They usually fight, but within an hour or two, they kind of like leave each other alone. This time it was different. They were fighting and fighting really bad. I came in here later in the evening, found him on the ground where by the coop itself, where the water is, on the ground with his head down and barely moving. I was like, oh great. His eyes were swelled shut. I put him in here, grabbed him, put him in here, and just so the rooster would leave him alone and he can recover. Like I said, his eyes were swelled shut. I put water and food in here for him. The next day I checked up on him, and he was doing okay. He was still, his eyes were pretty swelled up. Gave him some water and stuff to drink. The following day, the right eye opened up. He could see again, and he was kind of limping around. But he was able to get to his water and his food and everything. A few days, maybe a better part of a week, his left eye finally started to open, but it didn't look right. Now when I look at it, it looks like it's sunken in, and it's kind of twisted or turned or something. It just doesn't look right. So I'm thinking he must have got jabbed with the spur from the other rooster, and or got pecked, one of the two. And so I don't know if he's totally blind in that eye, or if he just can't see very well. But I'm going to try and get him and put him in with my older flock that doesn't have a rooster anymore, see if they'll get along. If they do, great. If not, I'll have to put him in here, and then I got to decide what I'm going to do with him. If we're going to call him or what. I don't know. But he's got no other use for me. You know, I hate to put him down, but hopefully he'll be a good rooster for my other flock. Hey, Mr. Rooster. Hey, Mr. Rooster. Come here, come here. Come here, come here. Shh, 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 shh,
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. He's afraid.
Yeah. He's a tough little guy. Want to smell the flowers? Smells pretty good.
I'm trying to make you have a companion.
Yeah, you don't want him. No, no, no. Getting excited? These are going to be your new girlfriends. These are going to be your new girlfriends. Oh, he's getting... All right.
Okay.
Go, Coco.
Let him come out. Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, he's not sitting on it, honey. He's kind of trying to fall off.
He'll figure it out. He's got to jump down here, and there's the door. He might figure it out. I don't know.
We'll see in a little bit. I think you have to be here to figure out what's going to happen to them when they meet.
Well, I got to keep an eye on him. If he starts really hurting them, then
yeah, right now
I'll take him back out.
Keep an eye on him so you can see how they're going to react.
Right.
He's going to go out or what?
Hang on to this, honey. I'm going to grab him and put him down here, okay?
So turn the light on.
Yeah, maybe I should turn the light on. There we go. Come on, Rooster. Come on, Rooster. Did you shut the door, hon?
Yeah. I locked the bottom.
Come on, Rooster.
No, Mia, don't do that.
Come on. Don't be such a chicken.
I'm a little afraid.
Oh, yeah, he is a chicken.
You want me to chase him?
And you were the one that kicked his butt.
Let me go and see if he's gonna.
Oh, shut the light off in there, hon. Come on, Rooster.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on in here. He's investigating you.
He's investigating. Uh-oh. Hey, you're handsome. Well, would you look at that? They're all getting along. It's hard to believe. And I thought I was going to have a hard time with him. He's accepted them, and they've accepted him. Wow. Where did he go? He's over here. Well, they're all eating. Well, that's very cool. These are the 3 hens. That's a blue Andalusian, a white blue Andalusian, if that makes any sense. That's my Rhode Island red, the only one I have left. And there's my other blue Andalusian, the black one. And then the black Astralorp is my rooster, and he's still in there. He doesn't want to come out. He's chicken. You know what I mean? Let me see if I can reason with him a little bit. Yeah, he finally decided to come out. That always does the trick. You see? Life's not so bad on the other side of the fence, I guess. Oh, that's the one he was fighting with, too. That's the one he was fighting with. But he can't fight anymore. Alright guys, so my wife just got done picking some old cabbage leaves. We have some old lettuce that's going to seed. And then in this bucket here, we got some delicious grub terra. We have some strawberries that were kind of the ones that we can't eat. And they're going rotten and stuff. And some grass down at the bottom. All this good stuff. Well, it's going to go to the other chickens too. But we're going to give them some of this grub terra. Some of these strawberries. Oh yeah, they know what's coming. You guys know what's coming. Uh-huh. Alright, how about some strawberries? How about some grub terra? right, chickies. All right, let's get some grub terra first. And some strawberries. Boy, they love them strawberries. Well, that looks like it was a success. The roosters getting along fine with the other older hens. In fact, they were welcoming him. And we got these guys, or girls here, fed. First, they're going after that grub terra, that soldier fly larva, and the strawberries. What a combination. Well, they are all getting along. The rooster seems to be happy. The hens are definitely happy. They were introducing themselves to him. He's not getting too close to them. He's kind of, I guess he's a little scared or something. I don't know. But he's got to get used to this. This is all new pen for him, or new a chicken run. So until he gets used to his surroundings and getting in and out of the coop, you know, it's going to take a few days probably. But other than that, as long as they're getting along, I'm happy. That way I don't have to take them out and then I have to figure maybe calling him or something. I don't know. But he's going to be put to use now. He's going to be guarding these 3 hens. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one.